Here's a quick tip for blocking spammer IP addresses in WordPress, using nothing but what's already built into your dashboard. We're starting in the comments section, and right away you can see a suspicious comment from a user called RI188. The comment looks friendly enough, but check out that IP address. It's an IPv6 address, and this commenter has only one approved comment. That's a red flag.
So we highlight that IP address, right-click, and copy it. Scrolling down, you can see even more junk, pharma spam links, fake compliments, the usual stuff.
Here's where the magic happens. Head over to Settings, then click Discussion.
This takes us to the Discussion Settings page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Disallowed Comment Keys. This is WordPress's built-in block list. Any IP address, email, URL, or keyword you drop in here will automatically send matching comments straight to the trash. No plugin needed.
We click into that text box, paste in the spammer's IP address, and that's it. Now just scroll down and hit Save Changes. And there it is, settings saved. That spammer's IP is now blocked. Any future comment from that address goes straight to the trash automatically. Simple, fast, and no extra plugins required. That's how you keep your WordPress comments clean.